So it's a Twizzler. So here's what we're going to start with. I am going to try, listen, this is not out of any kind of book. I have never seen this before, but I want to experiment. So we're going to try strawberry soda.
Now she wants to experiment, you know what I mean? I know you're going to put ice in that. Don't hand me some warm soda.
You'll get it how I give it to you.
And I'll put ice in it if you give me warm soda. Maybe you could give me a flat beer while you're at it. This is every day, by the way.
Strawberry soda with ice.
Ooh, with ice.
Here's the story of me and Sambvuca. Rated my friend when I was in high school. Her father loved Sambvuca, and we used to drink this, and this would knock me out. Sambvuca. I can't stand the taste of black licorice, but David likes it, so let's pour him some. So let's do a shot of Sambvuca.
Yeah, no more than a shot.
All right, David. Good luck.
Did you try it?
No, I ain't tried it.
Did you smell it? You're gonna give me a drink you haven't even smelled? Oh, it smells like licorice.
It's Sambvuca.
But it smells like licorice. And there's a little bit of strawberry there. And there's a lot of licorice. That's a good drink. Babe, that's a good drink. Did you try it?
No, I didn't try that.
It's sweet. It's not, like, the licorice is there, but it's good. You should try it. It's sweet. It's sweet. Yes, there's licorice, but it's sweet. You're going to smell licorice, no doubt, but it's sweet. That's a good drink. I told you it's a good drink. We should try it with the blue raspberry, because I bet it'd be good there too. Tastes like a Twizzler.
I don't hate this.
I know, it's good. It's like Jaeger. It's really close to a Jaeger bomb without the whole splashy stuff.
That's actually decent.
Yeah, it's pretty good.